Everyone makes financial mistakes at some point. Overspending, bad investments, debt, or poor planning can happen to anyone. The real difference is not who makes mistakes, but who recovers from them faster. In 2026, financial pressure is higher than ever, so learning how to reset your money situation quickly is more important than ever. Accept reality fast. The first step to recovery is acceptance. Most people delay facing their financial situation because it feels uncomfortable. But avoiding the truth only makes the problem bigger. You cannot fix what you don't understand. So the first move is to clearly accept how much money you owe, how much you spend, and where things went wrong. Once reality is clear, recovery becomes possible. Stop new financial damage. When people are in financial trouble, they often continue making the same mistakes. More unnecessary spending, more debt, or emotional decisions only make things worse. The priority should be to stop the bleeding first. That means cutting unnecessary expenses, avoiding new debt, and pausing any risky financial decisions until stability returns. Create a reset budget after stopping damage. The next step is rebuilding control through a simple budget. This is not about restriction, but about survival and stability. A reset budget focuses only on essentials: food, shelter, transport, and minimum necessary expenses. Everything else is paused temporarily. The goal is to regain control over cash flow as quickly as possible. Pay off high-pressure debt first. Not all debt is equal. Some debts create more stress than others. High-interest loans, credit cards, and urgent repayments should be handled first. This approach reduces financial pressure quickly. Once the most stressful debt is reduced, mental clarity improves, and it becomes easier to plan the next steps. Rebuild income stability. Financial recovery is not only about saving money, it is also about stabilizing income. If income is unstable, recovery takes longer. Look for ways to increase income even slightly. Extra work, freelancing, side income, or improving existing skills can speed up recovery. Even small additional income can make a big difference during recovery phases. Learn from the mistake. Every financial mistake carries a lesson. The goal is not just to recover, but to understand what caused the problem in the first place. It could be emotional spending, lack of planning, poor investment decisions, or lifestyle inflation. Identifying a root cause ensures the same mistake does not repeat again. Rebuild savings slowly. After stabilizing expenses and income, the next step is rebuilding savings. Many people try to recover everything at once, but that creates pressure again. Start small and stay consistent. Even small savings every month rebuild financial confidence over time. The goal is long-term stability, not quick fixes. Avoid emotional decisions. Financial mistakes often lead to stress, and stress leads to more bad decisions. Some people try to recover quickly by taking more risks or chasing fast money, which usually makes things worse. The best recovery strategy is calm and structured thinking. Every decision should be based on logic, not emotion. Final reality. Financial mistakes are not the end of your journey. They are part of learning. What matters is how quickly you adjust and rebuild. Recovery is possible for anyone who takes control early, stops further damage, and follows a simple system consistently. Over time, even serious financial setbacks can be reversed. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical personal finance content, money recovery strategies, and real-life financial improvement tips for 2026.